what are some technical requirements you need to succeed in local SEO, right? So let's just get through these 3 SEO steps, right? So the first one is mobile optimization, right? So for the website view, for the website, as a website developer, as a developer, you're building your WordPress website, right? You want to pay attention to your mobile optimization, how your website feels and look on the mobile view, right? You want to consider mobile view. So the next thing, which is very, very important at this point, that we also do in our agency, right? We try as much as possible to optimize for page speed, right? Old foundational SEO hacks, but it's still solid, because I mean, at this point, if your website is not loading real fast, it can affect how your website and how your audience are interacting with your website. User experience is very, very important. But the main, which is now, I would want to say, in high demand, and we preference it so high because of the LLMs and how everybody and how the whole system is. No more Google at this point, but we now have to deal with ChatGPT, AI, right? So they can be able to understand how our content and what your website is all about is structured data. So there are about 11 to 15 types of structured data that you can implement in your as a business owner, generally in terms of SEO, right? So for local SEO, the ones that are really, really important to you as a business owner, you want to think about location, like organization, like local business, right? Reviews, FAQ schema, website schema, like as your website as an article, then blog post. Then there are some there, I can't really remember them, right? But so the structured data helps AI, helps the search engine, right, understand your content very, very well. And also on the flip side, which is on the front end, on the search engine results page, right, your website, right, and the necessary information, right, that users can always reach out to from one click, right. It helps the users just have like a real user experience, real-time experience, right. So let me share you what it looks like. So right, so Udemy, right? So this is what the structured data will help you do, right? So with your structured data, get structured data, right? This thing here, you see, log in to continue your program, find free courses, organization login, marketing courses, Udemy business. What is structured data is going to help you do, right? So this gets actually pulled up from Google, right, to just help you understand like the flow. That is what structured data can help you do for your business as a business owner, right? Especially if you have a website, right? So these are some technical requirements that you need to succeed in local SEO, right? Thank you, and see you in the next one. Cheers.